Good morning, YouTube. It's Tuesday, the 26th. We're out here in Susquehanna, New Jersey, and it is miserable out. Downpouring, cats and dogs. Can't see the front of the truck when you're driving. Just gotta take your time. Get there in one piece. And try to have a good day. Gotta make the best of it, you know what I mean? It is what it is. Totally miserable out. Over here at Home Depot, delivering wood pellets. After we make this delivery at Home Depot, we're gonna see if we can get something going back up north over by where I come from. Loads are getting kind of scarce, but we're still doing okay. I know a lot of people are complaining about loads not being out there, but on the northeast we're still rocking and rolling for somewhat. But the rain's getting heavier. There's a lot of flooding going on, so everyone be careful. Try to have a good day. Keep the rubber side down, and we'll see you on the next one.